What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode. And in today's episode, we are back here on this mountain river from the last episode, and we're going to try to catch some more trout. So let's get started. Alright guys, so the first thing we're going to try is this little Rapala crankbait. It's a size 5 floating one and a brown trout pattern. That was the only thing that worked in the last episode for my dad, so we'll see if it works here again today for me. And the reason you want these floaters is because this river is really shallow. The deepest I've seen it is maybe like, I did see a pool where it was like 6 feet deep, but in most average parts of the river is, you know, about 3 inches to about 1.5 feet deep. So you want these you want these floating Rapalas because they dive really shallow. And that is that's what you need on the shallow rivers. Now, in deeper rivers, you could use a Rapala countdown or a Rapala finesse sinking in sizes 3 to 7. Alright guys, so we've got in the car and moved downstream a little bit, see if we can catch a fish. Oh, got him!
Oh, nice one!
That's a nice rainbow.
Look at that one!
Okay, buddy, okay. Okay. He hit it right at the bank.
Look at that.
Look at that color. Alright, buddy, okay. Hey, buddy. Settle down. Oh my gosh.
That's a nice one.
Yeah, look at that, guys.
Or cutthroat?
I think it's... Could be either one.
Both?
Maybe.
Beautiful.
Check out that fish, guys. Nice. He hit that right at the bank. Oh, and another one. No, he came off. He came off. It was just a little guy. Wow, that was crazy. Oh, Dad's got one, guys. Look at that. That's a nice rainbow. Look at that.
Oh, he spit it.
There he goes. There he goes. Alright guys, so we've just changed up spots a little bit here, moved downstream because the spot that we just fished was like right over there. So we're going to cast in this Rapala and see if we can pull out a trout. Oh, Dad's got a fish, guys. Let's take a look at this. Oh, that might be. I think that's a rainbow.
Oh, he spit it.
Goes. He must have spit it.
Yeah, good. Yeah, there's the lure.
Nice, Dad.
Pulled him right out of the rapids.
Well, guys, we had some pretty good luck today. My dad caught 2 fish and had another 3 on, and I caught 1 fish and had another little one on. So, hope you enjoyed this episode, and we'll see you in the next one.